Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to learn how to make reports on Microsoft Excel. So this is the student reports marks that had been already aggregated. So we need to get the total, the average, the position of the students, and get the comments whether they are promoted or not. So I will be taking you through. Thank you. So if you want to get the total, you will come and put an equal sign. Then after that equal sign, you will type sum. Highlighted, you just, and so the rest of the team, you bring the cursor in the shell, then you put it in the lower right. Then you autofill the results for. Then when you need the average marks, you will still come and put the equal sign. You will write there average. When you type average, you are interested on the average of the total per student. So you'll come and highlight. So after highlighting this average, it must be divided by the total number. So divide by 6, you will now, it gives you 8. Fill all the results. Then under rank, you will pull sign, you type the rank. Once you have double click, put a comma. So I highlight the marks for all the students. Here you have a comma. You highlight the marks for all the students. Once you're done with that, you'll now press a F function. So the F function, you'll now enter it. So this gives you the position of the student. This student is number 5. So you will come and autofill for all these other students. Then under comments, whether they are promoted or not, you need now to develop the function. So that one is user dependent. So under that, you will come and say, you come and grade the passing marks. So if you want to use, we want to use 60, those below 60 should repeat their class. So we'll come and say if you want to use, if you are interested on the marks. Now if this mark is less function, then you will open, then you say what do you want to do. This student should, you want this student will have to repeat. Then if you have closed, you put now, then you say if, another if, come and highlight this, that very marks of the student, the very marks of the student, the very mark of the student. So under comment section, you will come and use the if function. Then with the equal sign, you will begin the if function. Then you say if, what is your interest here? If the average is less than, say this student you want it. Then you again say if, and double click, this very average greater than, this time greater than, you open it up, then you say this one is, maybe is promoted to another class. So close your bracket, close the bracket, then you will come and shows those who are promoted. You will bring your cursor here, then the results for all the students. You'll find here only one student will be repeating. So thank you so much. Subscribe, like, comment.